Good afternoon. Wanted to show you today a 2000 Four Winds Hurricane. This coach it's a 33 SL floor plan. It's being offered by Professional Sales RV in Colleyville, Texas. We're located between Dallas and Fort Worth, and you can get more info on this coach at our website at prosalesrv.com, or you can give us a call at 800-899-2800. It's, as I said, powered by a Ford V10, has right at 30,000 miles on it. There's an Onan generator with 437 hours, I believe, on it. It's a very nice, clean coach. Try to give you a view from the other side. It does have a backup camera. And there's a large pass-through storage area. I only have one side open, but that does pass through. I don't know if you can see that or not. It goes all the way through. Tires, I've checked the date on them, but they look like they're new tires. You have the wheel simulators. There'll be some outside storage here. I'll give you a look inside there. There you go. Electric step. Go ahead and take a look inside. Up to the front here, it has the HWH jacks. Again, 30,800 miles, has the backup camera, has an AM/FM CD stereo in it. Then that's going to be a flip-up table between the two chairs and the swivel captain's chair there. The defrost fans. You're going to have a hide-a-bed sofa, and then the booth that both make into beds, and you do have the overhead cabinets. There's going to be a storage area behind the sofa as well. And I'll try to give you a look. It's really clean inside. No odors. You have your pantry area, the refrigerator, then nice wardrobe space and drawer space down underneath. Here you have some of the monitor panel and holding tank heaters. Go ahead and give you a look inside the bathroom. This could be your shower with a skylight over the top. And the toilet area. And in here you have a TV cabinet. Going to be shirt closets on each side of the wardrobe, or on each side of the bed. And it is a queen size bed. And if I give you a look from the other side, and again, you can get more info on this coach on our website at prosalesrv.com, or you can give us a call. It's 800-899-2800. Thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing from you.